Hi everybody, this is Angel, and so for this video, I am here in Shenzhen, China, and I will be doing a quick what's in my bag video for September 2014. So currently, I'm using this Marc by Marc Jacobs shoulder bag, sling bag. It looks like this. I got this a couple of months ago, and this is what I carried with me from Hong Kong to Shenzhen. So that's what's inside my red bag. First of all, I have my shawl, which has this very cute owl print all over it. I like the shawl. I use this whenever I feel cold on the bus or in the church. Then I have my usual Harrods umbrella. Then I have my passport. I have my wallet. Then I have my key pouch. It looks like that. And what else? I have my throat candy, which I really like to have. Let's see, I have my prayer booklet. And then I have this is my receipt when I got my China visa. I have my rosary pouch, a pack of tissue, and what else? I have a pen and my Green Cross rubbing alcohol. What else? In this little pocket here, I only have my octopus card holder. And lastly, I have my white flower ointment. So these are the things that I carried with me today. Let me check if I still have something else left in the bag. There's one more, my Pond's. And that's about it. That's all I have in my bag for the month of September 2014. Thank you all for watching.